I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to dispute a withdrawal on your Discover app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Open the Discover app. Launch the Discover app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, find the Transactions tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will show you a list of all recent transactions. Step 3. Select the withdrawal. Scroll through your transactions to locate the withdrawal you want to dispute. Tap on it to view more details about the transaction. Step 4. Initiate dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your dispute. After filling out the necessary information, review your dispute and hit submit. You should receive a confirmation message once your dispute is filed. Remember, it is important to keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your dispute. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve your issue quickly.